Hi guys, and welcome back to another Airsoft gameplay video. Now it's been a while, and today we're playing Free Phase. But this first game is a little bit different, because in our team somewhere there is a traitor. That traitor can take us out and make it harder for our team. There are a few ways you can win each part of the phase. Now in this first stage, we are trying to either kill all of the enemy team who only have one life, or we can hit a target. Either or will stop the timer, which later on in the video the enemy will try and beat.
No. Have you lost them?
I don't know.
Until proven otherwise, you're the traitor, so you're the human shield.
Really?
I've just decided.
Oh.
No, I'm joking.
Hey. I got a shot from one of our players, but I don't know who. I don't know, it's over there somewhere.
Has anyone been killed from behind yet?
Exactly what that's what your traitor would say.
Trust me, it ain't me. I know better. Being a traitor does not end well.
Oh, we're back in anyway, aren't we? We're yeah.
Oh, hit! Ow!
Alright. Go on, mate. Oh, dead player! Jesus Christ.
As we now move on to the next phase, we have to try and take the inside. Now, knowing how difficult it can be, I come up with a little plan to help us get in quicker.
Headline.
Yeah.
All the way round.
All the way around.
Yeah. Graffiti. Outside.
Yeah.
Start, just one, follow back.
Go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, we lost the guys behind me.
I got a grenade. I've got two. Let me hang on.
Watch your shadow. Nose, mate. Hit.
We managed to set a pretty quick time, so we moved on to the final stage.
I hope I didn't miss that last one.
Farted.
Oh.
We need a move.
I'd like to think that we've pushed him back a fair bit.
We were in the park. Sounds like enough.
Yeah, we're right up at the barn.
After being taken out relatively early on, I regrouped with a couple of guys who have already pushed up further ahead. Myself and Tim are trying to search for the target. Thinking we know where it might be, we start heading around to the back end of the map.
Whereabouts?
Hey!
Unlucky. Hit!
Target acquired.
Oh! Oh, fucking no, Mush. I know where it is.
Where is it?
I can't say. Tim, it's on the right, facing the other way. Turn around, Tim. Tim, turn around. Oh mate, I got such a bad stitch.
Now it's our turn to defend. We set up somewhere that we thought would be able to hold up pretty well, at least for a while. Let's see how it plays.
I was going to shoot Paul, but... Oh, you're going to have to beat that out. Just farted.
Hey, look at that.
Charlotte. I'm sure it's Charlotte. Charlotte! Oh no, maybe it's not Charlotte.
Camera lady! There's another one.
Yeah.
Come this way!
Oh, we got it!
Go on, Ollie, stand up.
Huh?
No, because you'll whack your head on my barrel.
The dude's behind the tree, but
Yeah, he's behind the marshal, you've got a bug in your head.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's out now.
We're literally just wasting ammo.
Yeah.
I mean, you're racking up kills, but for what?
From just a
The
respawning.
feed on your YouTube.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Just for them to...
Today it's been the grenade
come back
feed.
in. Okay.
There's no point.
I'm just going to rest my gun on your head.
Oh.
How's that
There's
feel?
one. There's one in the tree. Get some!
Don't know where he's at.
No, you ran off to the right.
Oh, no way.
You're getting heavier.
It's because I'm genuinely resting. Oh, stop now. Do you want to swap? Do you want me to go down low and you take me from behind?
I mean, if you wanna be taken from behind, you're out again. They're pushing up.
There's another one. Yeah, there's another one.
I'm out.
dead, isn't he?
Guys, they're pushing on the left-hand side!
Nice hit.
Did I leave my good mag in? Oh no, I've got it in my gun.
I've got a blister.
On the left!
Ollie, watch out, mate, on the
wood, yeah, I know. Oh, yeah. I got fucking shot in the testicle.
I shot your tank there.
Yeah, make no worry.
Yeah.
After both myself and Tim get taken out, they did manage to get the target, meaning that we moved on to the second stage, which is inside. Now unfortunately, their initial attack was quite slow, meaning that I had dropped my guard and was lingering by the door, thinking that they weren't coming this way anymore.
I think he's just been killed. He's on.
And by the time that I did notice that they were there, it was a little bit too late.
They're coming up. They're coming up. Guys, they're coming up round the back!
Yeah, I'm just going to sit down here and just wait. I might even let a few of them pass me.
Deciding that because there's not very long left, I wanted to stay near the front line, I chose a little hidey spot. The issue with the hidey spot is I knew that the enemies would eventually be walking past. Now because of this, I couldn't shoot everybody I saw.
Hit!
I waited and I waited. And unfortunately, one of the guys that was up by the barn got taken out. Now when he got taken out, he turned around, and I could not believe that he didn't look directly at me. Thinking that he had seen me, I decided that then was my time to pounce on the remaining guys, taking them out.
Oh, hit.
If you guys have liked what you've seen, make sure you hit that sub button. I'm going to be trying to make videos more regularly.
Yeah.
And if you ever want to be in one, just come and check out IRONSIGHT AIRSOFT.
Mate, there was like 6 of you that
Until
just
next time
walked straight past
guys,
me.
I'll see you here again soon.